Guys, welcome back to Crypto Zeus. The crypto journey continues. I hope you guys are doing good. In this video, we've got some massive cryptocurrency news you guys need to be aware of in the market today. So we're going to be talking about Joe Biden's executive order. What does that mean for the crypto prices? What is this big news coming out of South Korea? What is some other big news you guys need to be aware of in the market today? And we'll also take a look at the cryptocurrency prices. What are they doing? Where can they go in the future? We'll talk about it in this video. So if that sounds good to you guys, please do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button, comment down below what you guys thought of this video. As always, not financial advice, but I hope you guys are enjoying the journey so far. So guys, we did get the leak early yesterday about the press release regarding Joe Biden's executive order. However, we now have the executive order itself. It is right here, right behind me. Executive order on ensuring responsible development of digital assets. So what's a high-level summary of this? What does it mean for the crypto prices? And guys, it's actually quite a positive executive order from my understanding so far. So this has been described as a watershed moment for cryptocurrencies, and it does look to some degree the US government is looking favorably upon cryptocurrencies. So we'll talk about how important they are in the international realm, but to have a look at some key specifics from this, you can see right here in the executive order. It's quite long, but I'll give you guys the important summary right here. We must protect consumers, investors, and businesses in the United States. Okay, so that's a really good thing. No issues with that at all. And consumer protection, investor protection, and business protection, that's really good from the executive order right there. He also has a big focus on mitigating the illicit finance and national security risks posed by misuse of digital assets. Okay, so cybercrime, money laundering, ransomware, and again, this is all targeting the bad actors in the crypto space. And you know, we covered it a couple of days ago. Have a look at CZ from Binance's tweet right here, and it says chain analysis, transactions involving illicit addresses represented just 0.15% of crypto transaction volume in 2021. That's really important to understand, because everything Joe Biden is talking about right here, money laundering, cybercrime, ransomware, and other types of crimes right there, that only impacts 0.15% of all transactions. So I know a lot of you guys tuning into the channel. What do you guys want in the crypto space? You guys want to make money. You guys want to invest in exciting projects, and that's exactly what we do on Crypto Zeus. So right here, this section is fine in my opinion. So that's a good thing for crypto right there, cracking down on the bad guys. And this one is really important as well. So we must reinforce United States leadership in the global financial system and economic competitiveness, including through the responsible development of payment innovations and digital assets. So hugely bullish statement right there coming out of the executive order. And as we love to use the Game of Thrones analogies on Crypto Zeus, what does it mean? It means the United States wants to maintain its leading role in the world economy. Okay, so it understands that innovations are unstoppable. Okay, so cryptocurrencies, what are they bringing, guys? They are bringing a ton of innovation to the financial markets. It's not really a smart decision to stifle innovation. So if they were to block this innovation and you know, prevent it from happening, what's going to happen, guys, in this situation? Other characters will use those innovations, and they may outcompete the United States. So the USA, they're understanding that they must support cryptocurrencies. They must support innovation right here, and this is a good thing. Okay, so some really good signals coming out of this executive order, and we have some more statements about supporting technological advancements and development of digital assets. So again, another really positive thing coming out of this executive order right here. One thing to probably look out for in this executive order is the CBDC. So you can see it highlighted behind me. What does this mean? So how much control will the US government get by creating a CBDC? You know, will they have the power to turn off people's bank accounts? And again, to some degree, you don't want too much centralized power in government, because it will give them, you know, too much power, and they can penalize citizens if they get on the wrong side of the government. So watch out for the CBDC. That will be an interesting development. We'll stay tuned. I'll keep you guys up to date on how that develops, but that is another thing to watch out for. So stablecoins, CBDCs, they're going to be very interesting to see how that plays out. But overall, positive executive order coming out of the USA today. And guys, we have some huge news coming out of South Korea. Okay, so South Korea's president-elect Yoon vows deregulation, tax cuts, and there was also a big focus on digital currency. So you guys who are not familiar with South Korea, we've been covering South Korea on the channel. One thing about South Korea is these guys love cryptocurrencies. They love metaverse projects. I would classify South Korea right here as one of the leading countries, if not the leading countries, in metaverse projects. So these guys are building all their own metaverse projects. The government is funding metaverse projects, and we do have some bullish announcements coming out of South Korea. So check this out. Capital gains of up to 50 million won from cryptocurrency trade will be tax-free. Well, that is pretty exciting. I wish we could have that in Australia. Initial coin offerings will be allowed. So they're going to have more pre-sales, more ICOs coming up on the radar in South Korea. And South Korea-based entities will be allowed to issue new digital currencies in the country, starting with crypto exchanges. So guys, this is some bullish sentiment coming out of South Korea. It's a very wealthy country, very technologically advanced country, and they understand the innovation cryptocurrencies are bringing. And this is just some good news for everybody in the crypto market today. And some other big news you guys need to know about is how, cryptocurrencies are impacting the conflict between Russia and Ukraine. So you guys can see here, Ukraine has received close to $100 million in crypto donations, and this is absolutely unprecedented in history. This has not happened before. And so technology, cryptocurrency, it is actually playing a role on the modern day battlefield, unlike anything we've ever seen before. And for you guys who have been following in on this conflict and the economic impact of this, a lot of the cryptocurrency money coming in for the Ukrainian side, lots of sanctions coming in on Russia right now. So the sanctions are crippling Russia. And overall, in the macroeconomic point of view, guys, consumer inflation, the conflict, it is causing a lot of price rises in the Western countries. So Australia, USA, Europe, expect price rises, expect commodity rises as well. So commodity prices are down slightly a little bit today, but I do expect these to rise in the future. So oil to go up, all the agricultural products to go up in the long run. As what is the elephant in the room? So I'm going to maintain my consistent point of view. I think the elephant in the room around the world is the continuous printing of fiat currencies. And whenever more and more fiat currency gets printed, what happens, guys? The prices of assets, the prices of goods and services around the world is going to keep increasing, okay? So just think about it as a cryptocurrency that has no supply. They just keep printing it, and what happens is all the prices will go up. So I think that's the elephant in the room, and that needs to be addressed, and we aren't seeing very much raising of interest rates currently. So guys, watch out for some big price rises happening. And with that, we do know the crypto prices are going well. You guys can see here Elon Musk, Satoshi Nakamoto right there. So he's having fun. And with that, let's have a look at the crypto prices today. So how are they holding up with these big announcements coming out of Joe Biden? And we are seeing, Bitcoin around the $40,000 level. It did get up to around $42,000 recently. I've got the 3-month chart right here. So you guys, if you've been along the journey with Crypto Zeus, we have been studying these price movements. And you guys can see back in here, December, it was sitting at around $51,000. We did hit that low back in January 24th, $33,000. We have experienced a lot of turbulence on the prices, guys. So you can see these troughs, these valleys, these peaks, this other trough we were experiencing just recently. But it's good to see Bitcoin, above $40,000. So in the long run, I'm still very bullish on Bitcoin. I'm still very bullish on all the other cryptos in the market, Ethereum, BNB, XRP, even though they're down in the last hour or so. I am expecting volatility in the prices, but again, what's the innovation cryptocurrencies is bringing? It does counter a lot of this endless money printing. Cryptocurrencies is not backed by politicians' promises, guys. It's backed by science, okay? And the fear and greed index today, 28. So warming up slightly on the temperature charts right here. And as always, when it's fearful, possible time to accumulate. When it gets greedy, that is potentially time to take profit in the crypto space. But as always make your own decisions, not financial advice. But overall, I am still bullish on the crypto prices in the long run. So guys, that's a massive wrap on the markets for today. If you guys enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up button. Today's shout outs go to Tyler Young right there, Horntastic One, Fans G right there, DJ Ski right there, and Benjamin Ross, investor with the Zeus badge. So I appreciate the support from Benjamin right there. If you guys like Crypto Zeus, you guys can subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when the videos come out. You can sign up to the Telegram announcement channel for free. That also gives you the notifications. You can follow me over on Twitter. And if you want to join up to the Patreon, you can, to get some early access into some new crypto projects. And we'll be covering some new crypto projects on the channel. But guys, appreciate you guys watching the video. Have a good day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Crypto Zeus signing out.